How you can fix your iPhone's screen flickering randomly and glitching out. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the reason for your iPhone's screen flickering can be due to a software reason or hardware reason. So if it's the software reason, what you'll have to do is just restart your iPhone. Now to restart your iPhone, just press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Now this will force restart your iPhone, and after restarting it, your problem will go away. But if it does not, and if you still have the flickering and glitching out in your screen, it's a hardware problem, and to fix that you'll have to change your iPhone's screen and display altogether. So it's gonna cost you some money, so just go to a nearby repair shop and get it repaired. And that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye bye.